Bryce Canyon in southern Utah sits at the very top of the Grand Staircase. The canyon is a gigantic collection of natural amphitheaters, painted in all shades of red, orange, and white. Surrounded on all sides by deserts, this highland plateau receives much more rainfall than the area around it. Erosion from rainwater and frost wedging from the cold Utah winters have sculpted the earth into fantastic slot canyons and stone spires called hoodoos. Bryce is home to the highest concentration of hoodoos anywhere on the planet. Though they range greatly in size, some within the park soar as high as 200 feet. At only 55 square miles, Bryce is smaller than neighboring Zion or Grand Canyon, and its remote location means it draws far fewer visitors. But those willing to make the journey are treated to some of the best air quality in the entire country on the clearest days approaching 200 miles of visibility.